Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's John. I'm on my news desk and prop trading desk. It's Friday. What a great day. Today's Friday, December 13th, 2024. Do me a favor, give my video a like and a share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. So we got a lot of geopolitical news, we're talking about today on Friday, and then looking at socioeconomic news also too. So we'll go over this. If you stay with me to the end, you receive my trading plan as a free bonus. So it's not financial advice, just informational purposes only. S&P futures are up. We got a buy program in the S&P. Stock shares that I own in Qualcomm are pumping. Big news on chip stocks and artificial intelligence. Broadcom stock rallies as AI chip sales soar. Broadcom, NVIDIA, Costco, RH, Tesla, AVGO, Salesforce, Service Titan. We've got a lot of stocks that are pumping, a lot of economic news. We're going to go over this, but first let's look at geopolitical first and see what the news headlines are today. The top news headlines today are, hold on for a second. Okay, CNN is reporting mysterious drone sightings in New Jersey, prompts security concerns. So AI wars, I don't know, drone, Iranian drones, people are talking about possibility of, warfare globally, obviously with World War III type scenario. BBC, today we're celebrating a new Syria. Mass rallies mark the end of the Assad regime. NBC, okay, suspect in CEO's �KILLING wasn't insured by United Healthcare, okay. FT is reporting Francois Bayrou appointed French Prime Minister. So social unrest and geopolitical unrest in France. And then also in Syria, Trump extends unprecedented, this is being reported on Associated Press, extends unprecedented invites to China's leadership. Okay, so a lot of geopolitical news stuff we can't even report on. It's not PC. So, check out, give my video a like and a share. I appreciate it. So let's look at, let's see what's being reported on bar chart. First, let's talk about real quick the pivot points. So we got a pivot point on Bitcoin. I dollar cost average Bitcoin every day. So the pivot point today for Bitcoin is 100,545 spot 29. So I'll be a buyer of Bitcoin if it breaks out greater than that pivot point. And then I'm looking to purchase Bitcoin on the dippy dip at the demand zones at 98,629, 97,462, and 95,546 on the dippy dip. So we'll see what happens there if I get any price fills today. This week, we had a nice dip in the market. There was liquidations on the different exchanges, so I was able to purchase the dip in Bitcoin at the pivot points. So let's see what's being reported on bar chart here. Let's take a look at this real quick. All right, Nasdaq futures climb as Broadcom provides a boost. So Broadcom's got a big boost here with AI, artificial intelligence. I'm doing a lot of research right now on quantum computing and qubits. Got a lot of leadership going on in quantum computing. Okay, Broadcom was surged over 14% in pre-market trading after the semiconductor firm reported a 220% increase in AI revenue for the year and issued above consensus FQ1 revenue guidance. Adobe was off yesterday big, Lam Research slid, Nordstrom slumped 8%, Warner Brothers news on it, surged. Announced it split into two different divisions. Economic data today, we got a big calendar. Today's investors will focus on U.S. export and import price index for November. So that's, a lot of news there. All right, so let's look at bar chart again. What's being reported on bar chart? Stay with me to the end. You get a bonus, which is my trading plan. Broadcom again up 18%, Tesla's up and active, NVIDIA up 2%, Microsoft's active, MicroStrategy's up 2%, and CLSK is off. So S&P futures again up. Oil's up at 70.33. Gold bullion is off about $27, $28 at 2,681. Soundhound versus news on Soundhound. And then we also have news on Nikola stock. Things going on there. Okay, S&P futures up 16 points. Nasdaq up 160 points. Dow futures up 6 points. Gold and silver are off, so the inflation trade, again, active stock market. The stock market's going to open in about 10 minutes, but we got active Broadcom, Tesla, NVIDIA, Microsoft, MicroStrategy, CleanSpark, active. I own shares in CleanSpark. Palantir's up 1%, Apple Computer, United Healthcare, and Alibaba. So these are the stories being reported on bar chart. Let's take a look real quick at Yahoo Finance. The Fed's coming shift in 2025. So Powell has avoided politics, but with the key policies driving inflation, he'll need to focus on policy. Again, Nasdaq leads the U.S. futures higher as Broadcom surges. Insurers face unprecedented fallout after the United Healthcare situation. CVS is off. Trump looming, it says here, Biden's green bank moves to close billions of deals. Elon Musk linked funds surge on Trump boost to Tesla and SpaceX. Trump tariffs could intensify U.S. trucking industry slump. So Trump suggests ending car crash reporting rule opposed by Tesla. Again, news on Broadcom. Shares jump, AI surge. Blackstone, Bain, Mitsubishi Pharma unit deal. So, and T-Mobile announces a $14 million stock repurchase. So this is the news being reported on Yahoo Finance. So let's take a look at these. HUD-8 is active. Wow, look at these stock gainers. Ciena's pumping. They're a computer chip stock also here. Bitdeer Technology is pumping. Top losers, Adobe, Equinox Gold, EQX. Most active shares, NVIDIA, Riot Platforms. There's news on Riot Platforms. I own stock shares and such. Someone's taking a position in Riot Platforms as an activist. Lucid Group, Warner Brothers, and Tesla. These are active shares. So let's go over my trading plan real quick. All right, on this Friday. So I have limit orders to sell some Bitcoin, at the pivot points at resistance levels are at 101,711, at 103, 103,628, and 104,794. So let's see if we get a pump today on Bitcoin. Bought the dip this last week. So my trading plan, not financial advice, informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, entertainment only. Bitcoin, I'll dollar cost average Bitcoin today. SPY ETF, I'll dollar cost SPY ETF. So let's look at the stock shares in SPY that are involved with quantum computing, I guess, and AI. So the top 37% of holdings, here's the top 10 holdings, all right. Apple Computer, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta Platforms, Facebook, Tesla. Google's doing great with their quantum computer chips. Google, Alphabet A-class and C-class Alphabet shares, and Broadcom. So I own shares in all of these companies in the S&P 500 ETF. So the narrative has shifted here recently. Everything's now talking about big tech and quantum computing. So I'm doing a lot of research on such, and we'll be producing a special report. So I dollar cost average SPY ETF today. Blockchain ETFs, I dollar cost average those every week. I maintain a 7-to-1 ratio, 7 units of Bitcoin, once per day, 7 days a week, and then once per week, dollar cost average into the blockchain ETFs. So that's my trading plan. It's about the same as yesterday, but we're, you know, got a nice pivot point trade this week for Bitcoin. Running about 10 minutes, you know, having this great Friday. So everyone have a great day. You know, we got Bitcoin breaking out this morning around 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, about 100,000, 619 spot 22. So let's see if we get a breakout above that price. A nice pump. So that's what we have for today, everyone. It's John. I'm on my news desk and prop trading desk here. And have an awesome, wonderful, great day and a great weekend. Remember to stay warm, and let's get some great trends going. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.